Well, I'm sure you've seen this or heard of this problem before. Uh, right here, this is a 204 Dodge Ram, and it's blowing little air. I mean, the vents work, but the air is really low coming out of these vents, and there's more air going for some reason to the driver's side, and there's a little air coming off the defrost, and some coming off of these two passenger vents. Now, what I did is, and I'm sure you've seen this before, I took the motor off, and it's got these 8mm 3 screws. You know, one here and one there and one on the other side. And of course, this goes here. And when I opened and removed that fan, this was on top of the fan, and of course that's the recirculation door, blend door, and you know, I like this nice, but it's got no padding there. But worse than that, it's got this broken off, you know. And so this was laying on top of the fan, so that's why very little air was getting in. But what I'm going to do is I already ordered this, and I'll go through the process of doing that, but I needed to get some air in here. So what I'm going to do, and if you look in here, let me see if I can get some light in there. Let's see. Yeah, we'll get some light in there. But if you look in there, see that over there? That is, that over there is where the air comes in, where that screen is from the outside. And over here are the recirculation inside. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean that off over there where the air comes in, and I'm going to put some of this duct insulation, and it's got glue on it. I thought I already opened this. Anyway, it's got glue on it, and I'm just going to take the outside vent inside, and of course what that's going to do, it's going to keep the indoor air recirculating, nothing from the outside, which is, you know, a real good fix temporarily. Anyway, well, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean it off, and I'm going to put some of this stuff over there and cover the outside air coming in, and we'll put the fan back on, and we should have pretty good air. All right, so here's the piece. See, I cut the corner so I could flip that up and paste it on the walls. But that's a flap, so I'm just going to take that piece and I'm going to put it in there. Here you go. See how I covered that? It's covered, and over here is the recirculation on the inside. So nothing's going to come out from no air is going to come in from the outside, and it's just going to circulate all the air on the inside. Nothing goes out, because that fan, you know, I mean, you're getting air in, but that also blows the air out. So you're going to have real strong indoor, inside the cabin, air recirculation. So we'll put the fan back on, and we should be in business. The fan's back in. It's got three 8mm or a T25, but the T25 is kind of a little bit difficult to, you know, there's not enough space, so you'll have to use one of these, you know, just like that, and that'll work, and that's a lot better. Anyway, let's test it out. Got nice air coming out of here, you know, on both sides, all the vents, so everything's working, and you know, we're back in business. Of course, we're not going to have any outside air, but I never use that, and I don't even like it. So here we go. Nice strong air coming out of here. Well, that's great. Anyway, that's a real good temporary solution. It only takes about 15 minutes.